Laura. Huwag kang mag-alala. Narito ako para sa'yo.
Ang ibig ko,
Hindi, mahal ko.
buhay ko, ay para lang sa'yo. Sa
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Cast of Florante at Laura. At hindi lamang yun yung excerpt na yung Florante at Laura, but we would like to call in also Ibong Adarna cast.
Adarna cast.
O isang production lang kasi sila rito. Sige, I'll take care of them. You take care of the Florantes and Lauras, di ba?
Florantes and Lauras talaga.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay, umpisa natin kay Jao and everyone.
So, siguro, si Florante is
played by Jao. Hi,
okay.
Jao. How are
Hi,
you?
hello, I'm fine.
And
Hello, Jackie.
yung ibang cast pa natin, I would like to get your name.
Sam, I'm Sam.
You play.
I'm portraying the role of Lerida.
All right.
I'm Sandro,
And what role do you play here?
Batang Florante.
Batang
Florante.
Florante. Hello.
My name's Marina Eda, and I also play the role of Lerida.
Clarida. Okay. And you are...
Hi, I'm Jolaida Nicolay. I'm going to play the role of Laura.
Oh, okay. Ito palang batang ito ay anak ni Nino Mula.
Yes.
Nasa dugo,
Oo, nasa dugo.
At ito muna, ito yung sinapak ng babae.
Sino pa naman ito?
Oo nga, parang natakot naman ako doon. Nasaktan ka
Ako
ba?
si Oliver Nieto. I play the role of Adolfo. Yung kontrabida.
Yung kontrabida.
Ano pa rin
Hingal na hingal
You
si
are?
Oliver.
Ako po si Aldo Samonte at ako po si Aladdin dito sa Florante at Laura.
Okay.
And of course,
Of course.
Sir Jao pa, di ba?
Okay, kailan ba itong Florante at Laura?
Okay, this Florante at Laura will start showing at SM North bandang month of July.
Malapit na rin.
Pasukan, ayan po, meron po kami dyan na ipapakita mamaya. Medyo maraming dates kaya hindi ko masabi.
Ayan, na isang...
Pagpas ng July. Yun, Florante at Laura. And then, Ibong Adarna.
Ayan,
So,
speaking of Ibong Adarna, nandito naman ang mga Adarna ko, di ba? And you, anong pangalan mo?
Hi, my name is Ace. And
Ace.
Yes, Ace Mora, and I'll be playing Maria Blanca in Ibong Adarna.
Yung ba yung lead character na babae sa Ibong Adarna? And you?
I'm Emil Flora, and I play the role of Princess Leonora.
Ayun. At meron pa ba ako na-miss? Ito. This guy here. Ano?
Ako po si Rocky, playing for role of Minandro. Psychic po ni Florante.
Ikaw, psychic. O ba't nandito ka kay Adarna? Sina-psychic mo siya, ha? But anyway, alam nyo ba yung playdates nyo?
Yes,
Sa Ibong
please
Adarna?
catch Ibong Adarna by Torn Ticket Stage Productions. Starting on August 5th, we have a show on SM North EDSA. And September 16, SM South Mall Cinema 3. We also have Florante at Laura, Noli Me Tangere, and El Filibusteris.
Wow. Jao, alam mo, ang ganda nitong ginagawa ng production niya. I think Torn
Torn
Ticket.
Ticket. And this is another initial venture.
Kaya
Good
dapat
job.
magandang umpisang mga plays. And our producers are actually
Mr. Villafuerte.
Yes,
Hello.
Kuya Choi and Kuya Robert Villafuerte. These are our bosses right now who's taking the pictures. And we're very proud to be, we're all veterans actually. We're a mix of rookies and veterans. Pero one of our directors is Nino Mulak, who's the
Yes.
father of
As a director si Nino.
And El Filibusterismo mo, I heard, will be led by Joel Torre.
Wow.
Danilo Barrios is of Ibong Adarna. He's one of the prince.
Alright.
Nino Mulak is also part of it, as well as art director, Florante Taura, direct Mark Reyes. So,
Wow, so napakaganda, no?
Mark De Leon, sorry.
Initial
Ikaw ba
venture, tapos ang gaganda pa ng mga mga
Ikaw ba, Maris,
ipapalabas ng Torn
nakapag-play ka?
Ticket.
Ako,
Kayo,
yes.
nakapag-play ba kayo?
Yes,
Ikaw rin,
yes,
Jack. But this is a nice venture because you get to bring it to the masses, di ba? Akala nila, punta tayo dun sa mga malalaking teatro and then that's where you watch this talagang classic plays ito natin, Florante at Laura, Ibong Adarna.
Adarna.
Meron tayong Noli Me Tangere.
Yes.
I think this is a good job for all of you.
These are all for the students actually. Ginagawa namin tong lahat. Wala masyadong kita po dito. Pero for the love of at nakikita nyo naman kung anong mga ginagawa namin. Pero para makapalabas namin yung mensahe ng bawat mga storya ng 4 na classics. Florante at Laura, El Filibusterismo, Noli Me Tangere, Ibong Adarna.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes, for more inquiries, you may contact our Managing Director, Mr. Robert Villafuerte, through 861-6054, 0920-838-9922, or through email, robert@torrentticket.com.ph. And we also have a website, www.torrentticket.com.ph.
All right.
Well, congratulations in advance and good luck. I know a lot of people will
Thank you.
come and see the show, and yung mga balikbayan, check it out all the dates. So,
Thank
bago
you
kayo
very
umalis, version nyo ng walang tulugan!